Okay guys, let's make a corned beef with cheese. Okay. Set aside mo muna natin. Lagay tayo ng onion. And then garlic. Then lagay na natin corned beef. Then lutuin natin. Black pepper. Mix it well. And then eggs. And then lagyan natin ng cheese. Put some cheese on top. Okay. There you go. And then cover it. Just wait. Okay guys, this is ready. Let's put a corned beef on top. There you go. Let's put hot sauce. Okay. Mayonnaise, Kewpie mayo. Scallion on top. Let's eat. God bless. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Okay guys, let me try. It's good. That's it guys. Yummy.